Freight Company UK. If you do international business, you've probably heard of Freight Company in UK. Their goal is to simplify international shipping by handling everything from transportation to delivery. This is your comprehensive guide to understanding how Freight Company UK works. With members from the road, rail, sea, and air industries as well as the consumers of freight services, such as retailers and manufacturers, we are one of the largest business groups in the UK. Representing the entire industry, we concentrate on the important services, assistance, and guidance we offer to our members. Contents: what exactly is a Freight Company UK? What does a freight company do? Freight Company UK benefits. YIZ Global Logistics. What exactly is a Freight Company UK? A Freight Company UK is a business that receives and ships goods on behalf of other businesses. Once the goods are picked up from the seller and continue through delivery to the buyer's designated location, this responsibility ends. They are essential to global trade, and their connections and expertise in navigating the import-export process make them invaluable to businesses. They can also provide information and guidance on logistical costs, such as freight and port charges, consular and insurance fees, the price of required paperwork, and customs clearance fees. What does a freight company do? A Freight Company UK moves goods through the supply chain on behalf of importers and exporters. To move goods from producers to manufacturers and then to the final market or customer, they hire shipping companies. Long or complicated routes across land and sea may be involved in the transportation of goods. A variety of services are provided by Freight Company UK to assist importers and exporters in safely and effectively moving the goods across international borders. They can provide guidance on the most efficient international shipping routes and coordinate rail, road, sea, or air freight transport logistics to ensure that goods arrive on time. Shipping for both domestic and international trade is organized by a Freight Company UK. They plan the logistics of moving and storing goods during transit and collaborate closely with importers and exporters to ensure that all necessary paperwork for customs clearance is in order. Even though they don't actually move the goods, Freight Companies UK are a quick and affordable way to get goods to market, especially for companies that export large quantities. As a middleman between businesses and shipping firms, freight forwarders can negotiate favorable freight rates through their network of reliable freight services. Individual businesses do not need to be experts in the transportation of goods because Freight Company UK are the time it would take importers and exporters to arrange all the required paperwork, fees, and insurance themselves is saved by them. Companies can gain from Freight Company UK expert understanding of the import and export laws and regulations of various nations. Freight Company UK benefits. Make sure you are aware of the following key advantages a Freight Company UK can provide if you are a business owner debating whether to handle this process yourself or use one instead of dealing with multiple people at various stages of the process. You will only have to deal with one person when setting up the shipment. It takes time and effort to complete paperwork, so a good Freight Company UK will be proficient in it. Strong local connections enable Freight Company UK to bargain for lower rates on your behalf. They can give you security and mental tranquility. You won't be left on your own if something goes wrong. Instead, they can help you navigate any problems and act quickly to resolve them. YIZ Global Logistics, a freight company UK and expertly managed import and export solution, is what IZ Global Logistics, an independent freight company UK, can provide for you. Our 25 years of combined experience will guarantee that your cargo is delivered by the deadline, regardless of how complicated the project is. Our primary trade routes are to and from UK, Australia, China, Turkey, and the United States. We offer a variety of transportation services to ensure a quick and affordable resolution. Our expertise in the field enables us to build solid connections around the world and offer dependable sea, air, rail, and road freight company UK services.